so you can see my continuing journey of Denmark here. So, however, we are back at the airport. It's always a sad time when we have to leave these amazing countries that I visit to. However, this video, you know, it's not about me just going back to Stansted. It is this, but I want to show you guys what Copenhagen airport is like. So there is 2 airports in Copenhagen. This is the international one. There's one which is also international, but however only for, I think, Sweden and countries that are nearby Denmark. And so obviously this is Terminal 2 right now. It is freezing, it is windy. I want to get inside, so let me show you my journey inside Copenhagen airport. Let's go, because I saw it was amazing on the way when we just arrived here. It was so modern, so amazing. Now let's go. Heading towards security. We already did online checking because obviously we have only got backpacks now, and so security on that side. Let's go. We have past security now. We've got the tax-free, duty-free right here. There's a very nice trolley here that you can put your hand luggage right at the bottom and your normal personal items, and it's for free. You just get it from there. And so we didn't want to carry anything. We've got it here. Now onto some shopping. So here you can see there are a lot more designer items and products as well, not just the sale. And you have got Gucci, Armani, Chloe, you can see Daisy, Marc Jacobs, I mean Dior, J'adore, of course, that's the iconic one as well. But you can see there are multiple different gift sets that you can give, and I mean by multiple, there were a lot. There were this many on the opposite side, and I think 2 or more rows like this one nearby it as well. So there is a lot and a lot of fragrances that you can get from here. On the duty free here, there are many different sale items, and I mean a lot. I mean, you've got a whole lot of different perfume boxes, and it is for, well, different perfumes are varied for different prices. Some are £1.49, which are around £17. Some are £2.39, around 27, and some are £2.99, which are 35. So whichever one you like, you got those. There are many other items like creams on sale, and obviously normal price perfumes as well. And the duty free here is big. We have only just explored the makeup and perfume, and it is huge. So we have got a few perfumes right here. I mean, I did tell you that we were going to go shopping in the duty free. We've got those, we've got this, we've got more here. So we found a lot of good deals. And water. Anyway guys, look at upstairs, look up right there. It looks so nice. I mean, it doesn't look like an airport right now. However, the decoration is just amazing. So we have now got this as well. It's a biscuit tin, however, look at the packaging. It looks so nice, and obviously something from Denmark. And you have also got the very classic houses. We wanted to go there, however, not much time. It was more of a relaxing holiday. One thing I have noticed is that everywhere you go around this airport, it is very much greenery and wood. Everywhere is green and wood, even where there's beer and Pringles and just normal food as well. It is all full of wood and greenery, and it looks beautiful. There are also many designer shops here. You've got Gucci, Burberry, free, and many more. On the opposite side, Max Mara, obviously the duty free there. I'm not going to try and pronounce that one, but that one as well. And Boss, there are so many different shops. It does not feel like an airport, more like a shopping mall. So we are right now here at Joe and the Juices, and we have got an acai roll. I've always wanted an acai bowl, but obviously this is quite healthy. You've got acai right here. You've got a lot, and I mean a lot of seed mix with oats and a lot of seeds. You've got peanut butter here as well with seed on top and bananas here. So I cannot wait to try this. I mean, there was such a big line for this as well, and we've seen it everywhere in Copenhagen. And I've got the Iron Man, which is strawberry, kiwi, and apple. So this is actually really nice as well, and so far in our one-day trip in Copenhagen, we have kind of realized that there is so much healthy options. There is not a lot of deep fried like fast food restaurants, even in the mall, even on the streets, wherever you want to go eat at restaurants, even at the airport right now, at the hotel. It is so much healthy stuff. I mean, this as well, it is quite healthy. It's not too sweet, and the amount of seed mix they have here with oats, oat milk here, everything is very, very healthy and freshly made as well. Even at the hotel, we realized that all the breads there was none white bread there. There was all like seed mix, brown bread, mixed bread. There was so many, but no white bread, because here every single option you have is very healthy as well. And also when we went to the mall, we got a wrap, as you saw, and it was also the whole restaurant was also gluten free. Now I personally have not seen any single restaurant that I have never seen that is all gluten free. There are gluten free options. So after having the Joe and Juice, my mum is still eating the acai right now. It is really filling. It looks small, but it's filling. Right here. Anyway, there we go. No, I don't want to eat it. Anyway, right now our flight is now boarding, and so we're going to our gate. I've got acai in my mouth, but you can see the mall and shopping mall type of airport is still not finishing. There are so many different shops here, and I'm currently steering this. My mum's still in her birthday phase. I am doing everything right now, and she's enjoying her acai. I'm back here at Stansted. I was meant to be ending the video at Copenhagen airport just to show you guys the airport, as it was just for that. However, my phone battery died on me, and so now we have just come outside, and as you can see there are arrivals back there, and now it's time for us to go back home. Today is the 21st of January 2024. It's been 1 month since I left for Canada, and there's also going to be many more amazing trips coming up soon, so I guess be waiting for those. And this was my mum's special birthday surprise, as I booked the ticket and everything. She absolutely loved the surprise, and obviously it was just for a weekend, so it was amazing. She loved it. There you go, she did. And it is actually, so a quick information, my mum in January, she has been to currently 4 countries just in January 2024. So it has been 21 days, and this lady has gone to 4 countries already at the start of the year. And so that is one of her New Year's resolutions, to travel as much as we can. So if you have been watching in my 2022, we went 1 country every month for 12 months obviously. This time my mum's already been 4 in 1 month. Mine, it has been 2, because obviously Canada and Denmark now. However, you will soon be seeing a lot more, because my mum kind of, I thought I'd say that it is better that we probably buy a holiday home in Europe, and now she's adamant on that. So yeah, I think it's kind of lost for me. I accidentally messaged that. Anyway, I'm really tired, and I'll see you guys in one of my next trips. Bye.